Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you some acrylic pours that I had done on some surfboards. My husband cut these surfboards out with plywood, and then I just painted over them with white house paint as my base. The white and then the black. And then on these black ones I used pearl paints. They're white originally, and then when they dry against a black background, they just pop. This one is blue and green. And then the second one coming up, this one here is just regular orange acrylic paint. And then the yellow pearl paint, which actually dries gold. And it is the most amazing gold shiny color. I love the yellow. All of my paints are mixed with American Floetrol and water. I do half paint with half Floetrol and then just add water to thin it out, and that's worked out well for me so far. And then my acrylic paints are just a mixture of whatever I've had on hand. I get them from Walmart or Hobby Lobby, Michael's, wherever I can get them. So it's just a wide variety of different acrylic paints. Can't really pinpoint each one, but I just use some random colors. And then after these dried, I let these dry for a few days, and I went in with my Cricut. I kind of took a look and see what I had. And this is when it's drying. It's still wet. But you'll see here in a minute the finished product. So there's the yellow, which turned gold. And then I used my Cricut. I went into my Cricut design space, found some cool designs that fit for each one. This tiki bar one is my favorite. Unfortunately, at the very end, I didn't get a final photo of it. I got a final shot of it on the video, but I didn't get a final. Look at that gold, shiny gold. And this one's pretty cool too. This one's my second favorite. I did originally the white vinyl. It just wasn't bright enough, so I did have to go over these a second time with a teal. I just reprinted. Luckily, I had saved the design in my design space, and I just reprinted them with teal vinyl. And that way it showed up, made it pop. Just wasn't bright enough. Couldn't see them, got lost. But at least I had the initial design on there. Just unfortunate I had to do it twice. Once I got the design the way I wanted it, I went ahead and added the resin. This just made everything pop and shiny and sealed it all in there, sealed the vinyl on there. And here is my final shot. These are still wet, but you can just see how much shinier it is and gives it that finished look and seals that vinyl on there so you don't have anything coming up later on. I got my final photos coming up. The only one that I didn't get a final photo of was the tiki bar. Got a good shot in here. You can see how shiny that gold is, which is the yellow pearl paint. But I absolutely love these. I've made these several times. Different designs on each one because every single one is different. But I absolutely love them. They're a lot of fun to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Acrylic pouring was actually my first love. I started with acrylic pouring and then got into resin, and my resin addiction took over. But it's fun to be able to combine the two. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous day.